Okay, good morning, folks. This is Jerry. I just thought what I'd do today is have a walk over to the front street. I'm on the campus of the Shengda University here in China. There's still very few people here. We're still under quarantine. It's Friday, March the 20th, and I just wanted to have a stroll over to the street here where they've in preparation for the students' return, they've posted up some health information posters, some really interesting art. I think from the art perspective, we've got some really kind of funny, silly cartoons. I thought you might enjoy having a look at some of the health information posters that they are putting up here on campus, again in preparation for if and when the students return to campus. So it's a Friday morning. Again, I don't see a lot of people, not too many people here. As you can see, there's not a lot of activity here. Beautiful day. The air here has been just incredible. The air, now that the factories are shut down, one of the kind of the quirky side effects of this shutdown since the outbreak has been these wonderful blue skies and clean air. But okay, let's have a look at some of these posters. Here's the first one. So here's the billboards. This one here, a reminder of, I guess, where our food comes from. Another food map. Some writing. I don't actually, I can't read the Chinese writing, so I don't actually know what these posters say. This one is all just masks, the variety of masks that they so that's a whole billboard of just information about the wearing the masks. This one here, this one's kind of cool. We got some nasty, evil-looking bats. We've got some syringes plunging into the. We got some English here, some no. Another bat design. This one's a little bit unusual. Ice cream design. Some animals, I guess, to get us to think about what kind of animals we eat. That one's kind of silly. A bear. I don't know what the bear. I know we're kind of entering a bear market right now in terms of the stock market. Both Hong Kong and the American markets are really tanking. We've got a bony fish here. We've got a rifle and a lion. No hunting. Okay, there is some English on this one. Wildlife is declining. No hunting, no interruption, no harm. So, okay, so this billboard is really all about the animals, thinking about animals. Here's more of a medical looking billboard. We've got a person in gear here, full protection, hazmat. We've got some blood splattered doctors in uniforms. Oh, that's kind of cool. We have some people in the hazmat suits. Oh, there's a cool little COVID virus cartoon. Okay, the lungs, the primary spot where the virus seems to take a hold on many people. The pneumonia, the difficulty breathing, this virus is really a respiratory, a challenge to people with respiratory issues. Okay, oh, now this one, this is more very cartoonish. I love this one. That one could be like a villain movie poster. That's cool. Then we got a fighting one. Love the colors in these posters here. These are really nice, colorful. Again, animals wearing a mask. It kind of makes you think about what happens to pets. People who have pets, what sort of concern or what sort of things people are doing when they have pets at home. Okay, some very interesting designs, some very cool designs. And I won't spend a lot of time on each poster, but there's a really nice variety. Stay away from parties, so social distancing. This one looks like we've got a message here to basically avoid crowds and people. And again, I'm really fortunate right now because there is so few people here on campus. This is a really safe and secure. Many of my co-worker, a lot of the Chinese teachers, they are self-quarantined in their apartments and they can't even go outside. So they're a bit jealous. They really think I should be thankful that I've got this entire campus to freely walk about, and I'll do a little bit of that this morning too. I wanted to take you to where I feed the goldfish. And okay, back to the posters. I like this hand over hand. The Borg cube. I'm sure that's not the Borg cube, but it kind of reminds me. I've just watched the. I've been watching the Picard Star Trek series on TV, and the Borg plays a big part in that TV series. Really been enjoying the Picard Star Trek TV shows. This is nice. This is a really nice. I like the mix of the traditional style art with the more modern style. Nice fusion of Asian Western kind of poster design. I love that nasty looking virus there. And again, the syringe, the vaccine. I think what a lot of people don't understand about vaccines is that it's not just when you go to a doctor and get a needle, like a protection vaccine from a disease or an illness, what the doctor is doing is actually giving you the disease or illness. So if they develop this COVID-19 vaccine, they're actually giving you the COVID-19 virus. They introduce it into your body with the necessary medicine to combat the spread of the virus. So I don't think a lot of people understand vaccines. I know I was quite surprised. I just thought that needles and vaccines were just full of wonderful medicine to help your body, but then I started to learn that these vaccines actually they give you the illness, they give you the disease, they inject you with the with the virus, and then again the medicine does its part to fight fight the disease.